Hello. Hello. Good evening. Hello, Yundong. Good evening.
Good. Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yes,
Hello,
yes. I can
yes.
hear. Yes. Hello. Good evening, and welcome again to our class, Yundong. Wow. So, how are you today? Are you happy today?
Yeah, good. And study question. And study question. Do you want to open the camera?
Oh, it's okay. It's okay if he can't open the camera or he can. It's okay. Oh, hello. Good evening, mommy. Are you the mommy of Yundong and Fong An?
I'm Dom's aunt.
Oh,
Aunt.
okay. Hello, nice to meet you. And hello, Yundong. Hello. Good evening. Hello. How are you today? Are, are you happy today?
Happy.
Wow, that's very good to know. And are you ready for our lesson for today? Are you ready?
Ready chưa? Trả lời yes, no.
Yes, no. Yes, okay. So for this one, this will be the continuation of our lesson last time. So let us have a review of our lesson last time, which is about school supplies. Let's say school
No. You say yes.
school supplies.
Vui lớn lên.
Okay. Okay, one more. Okay, very good. Good job. So now teacher will ask you, let's look at these objects. So do you still remember what is this, Yunda? It's a
Book. Book.
very good. It's a book. How about this one? What do we call this school supply? It's
Book.
a notebook. Wow, very good. Next, how about this one? What do we call this? It's a,
Well,
let's say, desk. It's okay. Okay, let's say it's a desk.
yes.
Okay, very good. How about our last one? This one. This is where you are sitting right now. What do we call this? It's a
Train.
chair. Wow, very good. So good job in remembering all of the school supplies that we have learned. So now let's us practice more about the sentence pattern that we learned last time. So let's listen to our audio here and let's answer each. Let's answer each of the school supply. Okay, let me just open this one. Dun. Number 50. So tell teacher if you cannot hear the sound, okay?
Page 7.
Can you hear
D.
the sound?
Listen and
Yes.
number.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, let's listen to this one.
1,
It's a book. It isn't a notebook.
Okay, one more time.
listen and number.
Let's listen to number
1,
one again.
It's a book. It isn't a notebook.
Okay, so let's go with this one. What did the sound said? What do you think is this school supply, Yundong? It's a Actually, this one is a notebook.
Is a book?
Okay, very good. Is it a book? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's say it isn't. It it
Is
isn't
a
a book. Okay, very good. So we use this sentence if we are saying no. So no, it isn't a book. It's a notebook. Okay, let's try it with this second school supply. What do we call this one? Yundong. It's a, it's a,
Yes. Yes.
it's a
Yes.
desk. Okay, very good. Is it a chair? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's say no. It isn't
No, it isn't.
a chair. Okay, one more time. It isn't a chair. Okay. Okay, let's go with number 3. This one. Is it a chair? Yes or no? Is it a chair?
No.
Yes. Okay, let's say it's a chair. Okay, let's say it's a chair. Okay, perfect. Now, teacher has another question. Is it a desk, Yundong? Yes or no? Is it a desk? No. Is it a desk?
No.
No. Okay, let's say no. It isn't.
Ano?
It isn't a desk. Okay, so good job. So next, let's go with this last school supply Yundong. Okay, what is this one? It's a,
Apa?
okay, perfect. It's a book. Is it a notebook? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, let's say it isn't
Is a Venus book?
a notebook. Wow, very good. So good job. So that is the use of the sentence pattern that we learned last time. So very good. Okay, so next. So this is the answer to those ones. So very good. Next, let's go with our next activity. So here, let's read this one. Let's say it's a book.
Is a book?
Okay, very good. Is this a book? Let's look at the object. Is this a book? Yundong? Yes or no?
No.
This one? Is this a book?
Book?
It's a yes. Is this a book? Yes or no?
Yes.
It yes. Okay, let's say it's a book.
Yes. A book?
Okay, how about this one? Is this a notebook? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, it's a
Is a notebook?
okay, very good. It's a notebook. How about this one? Let's look again to the number 1 object. Is this a notebook? Yundong, is this a notebook?
No.
No. So let's say it isn't. Very good. It isn't
It is
a notebook.
a notebook.
Okay, very good. How about this one, Yundong? Is this a book? This one? It's a
It's a notebook.
it's a notebook. Very good. So let's say it isn't a
It's
book.
a book.
Okay, wow, very good. Now let's go to our next school supply here. Let's take a look at this one. So what is this, Yundong? This one in the square shape. What do we call this? School supply. It's a
It's
desk.
a
Okay, very good. One more time. What is this? It's a desk.
desk.
Okay. How about this one? Not this number 4 object. What is this?
A chair. It's a
It's
chair.
a okay, very good. So is this a desk? Yes or no?
Yes. No.
Is no. So let's say it isn't. It isn't
It is an desk.
this. So it's a chair. So very good. How about
A chair.
yes, perfect. So next, how about this one? Is this a chair? This one?
Yes.
This?
Yes.
The color brown? Is this a chair?
No.
No. So no, it isn't. It isn't a chair. So it's a
Chair.
desk. Okay, one more time. Let's say it's a desk.
It's a desk.
Okay, very good. So next, let's go with this one. I have here this. Can you see this one? Okay, let's take a look at this one. Do you know what is this? Yundong? It's a
It's a
Caesar.
chair.
Okay, very good. Is this a pencil? Yes or no? Is this a pencil?
No.
Yes. No, it isn't. Okay, let's say it isn't
It's
a pencil.
a
Okay,
pencil.
how about this one? Is this a pencil? Okay, is this a pencil, Yundong? It's a yes. It's a pencil. Okay, so good job. Still a good job. So I can see that you can understand what is and what is not. So very good. So this will be the end of our lesson 2. So let's now go to our new lesson. So let me just open our lesson 3. So we will talk about stories for our lesson 3. Okay, let me just open lesson 3. Okay, so this will be for our lesson 3. So for our lesson 3, Yundong, so we're still at unit 1, which is first day. But the difference is we have a new lesson. Our new lesson is all about story. Let's say story. Okay. So for this, okay, one more time, let's say story.
Sorry.
Okay. So for this one, so we will listen to a story and we will check if you understand the story that we have. Okay, so let's go with our next page. And let's listen with our story. Let me just open the sound.
Page 8. Lesson
Okay. Can you hear the sound? Yundong and Auntie? Can you,
Yeah.
this one?
Page 8. Lesson 3.
Can you hear it? Page 8, lesson 3.
Story.
Okay.
A.
Okay,
Talk
let's
about the
listen to
pictures.
a
Then
lesson.
listen and read. I'm great.
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm good. Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay. Look, Mike. 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 How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, let's try to listen to it once again. So let's go with our next page and let's listen again to the story. Okay.
Talk about the pictures. Then listen and read. I'm great.
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. How are you? I'm good. Hi, Danny. How are you? I'm okay. Look, Mike. 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 How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, so that will be for our story. So it is titled as I'm Great. So let's go and read the story here. So let's have the next page. So can we read this one? You know, let's say, Hi Emma, how
Hi,
are
Emma.
you?
I'm Ari.
Okay, very good. Next, I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good.
Okay, very good. So next, hi Danny, how are you?
Hi, Danny. Um,
Okay, one more time. Let's say, how are you?
how are
Very good. I'm okay.
you?
Okay, next, look, Mike.
Look, my,
Okay, Mike.
my, my,
How are you, Mike?
how are you?
I'm great. Thank you.
I'm right. Thank you.
Okay, very good. So let's take a look at our story here. So we can see, so there is a question here so that we have. So it says, how are you? So for this question, so we usually ask this to a person when we want to get to know what are they feeling right now? Like teacher asked you earlier, so how are you, Yundong? And you said you are happy. So that is what we ask for people for us to know what they feel. So we will usually answer if we are fine, we will say I'm fine. Thank you. So we can also say I'm good or I'm okay. So I'm great. Thank you. So it is a polite or how we answer politely to this question. So how are you? I'm good. Thank you. So we will always follow with thank you. So that is how we use this question for us to get to know with the other people or how they feel. Okay. So next one, let's try to practice this sentence pattern or this question and how we'll be answering this. So let's go with our next page here. So let's again listen to this activity and let's try to answer. Okay.
And page 9. B. Listen and number. 1,
How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay. So for that one, let's again listen. And teacher will ask you a question after.
page 9. B. Listen and number. 1,
How are you, Mike? I'm great. Thank you.
Okay, let's go with the first one that we heard. So what did you hear or what did you heard, Yundong? What did the girl said? The girl said, how? The girl said, how are you, Mike? Okay, one more time. The girl said, how are you, Mike? How?
How are you?
Okay, very good. So, and Mike said, I'm great. I'm great. And what will we say after I'm great? We will say thank thank you. Okay, one more time. Let's practice a number one. So teacher will ask you, how are you, Mike? For example, you are Mike Yundo. How are you, Mike? What will be your answer? You will answer, I'm great. Thank you. I'm okay. One more time. So teacher will ask you once again. How are you, Mike? You will say, I'm great. Thank you. Okay, okay, very good. So next, let's listen to the second one.
2,
Hi, Danny. How are you?
I'm okay.
Hi, Danny. How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, so number two. So we listen. So the girl said, hi, Danny. How are you? Okay, let's say, hi, Danny. How are you? Danny? Hi, Danny. How are you? Okay, very good. And Danny said, I'm okay. Okay, perfect. So now teacher will ask you the question and you will answer, I'm okay. So let's practice. So example, you are Danny. So teacher will be the girl. So, hi Danny, how are you? You will say, I'm okay. Okay, very good. One more time. Hi Danny, how are you?
How are you?
Okay, okay, very good. So that is how we will answer to how are you? So next, number three. Let's go with number three.
3,
Mike! Mike!
3,
Mike! Mike!
Okay, so for number three, what is the name that the girl said? It's Mike. Mike. Okay, let's read. Mike. Mike. Okay, very good. So this girl, so she is calling Mike. So that is in the story earlier. So this one is Mike. So next, let's go with number four.
4,
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, one more time.
Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, let's go to our next question here, or next scenario. Let's say, hi, Emma.
I'm
How are you? Okay, so Emma said, I'm fine. I- I'm fine.
fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's practice. So, example, you are Emma and teacher is the girl. So, I will ask you a question and you will answer, I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, let's try. So, hi, Emma. How are you?
How are you?
Yes, okay, we will answer, I'm fine.
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. One more time. Hi, Emma. How are you? I'm fine.
Hi, Emma. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay, very good. So now let's practice this question to you, Yundong. So, hi, Yundong. How are you? Are you fine? Are you great? Or okay? I'm. How are you today? Are you happy? I'm.
Happy.
I'm okay. Let's say I'm happy.
I'm happy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, very good. One more time. Hi, Yundong. How are you?
Happy.
I'm happy. Thank you. Okay, so very good. So these are the ways that we can answer if the teacher asks us, how are you? So we can say, I'm happy. Thank you. I'm fine. Thank you. I'm okay. I'm great. Thank you. So that is for our sentence pattern. So now let's go with our next page. Okay. So for this one, we have already practiced this. And let's listen to a song here. Let's have this one.
Page 9. C. Sing. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I'm
Fine,
fine,
thank
thank you.
you.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi, how are
How are
you?
you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm okay. How are
How are
you?
you?
I'm fine. I'm great.
Hi, how are you?
I'm
I'm
fine,
fine.
thank you. How are you?
I'm fine,
Fine.
thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
thank
thank
you.
you.
How are you? I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
thank
thank
you.
you.
Hi, how are you? I'm
I'm
fine,
fine,
thank
thank
you.
you.
How are you? I'm fine, thank
Thank
you.
you.
How are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm
How
okay. How are
how are
you?
you?
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine.
I'm great. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so that is for our song about this question, how are you? So now let's try to practice what did the children said in this song. So let's say, how are you?
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, so let's practice. So teacher will be the one to ask and you will be the one to answer. So now, hi Yundong, how are you? Let's say I'm fine. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, one more time. One last time before we end our lesson. So, hi Yundong, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, so that's it for our lesson for today. Since it is already our time, so for this one, Yundong, a teacher suggests that you practice this question, okay? So you practice how you will answer to this question. So since this will be the end of our lesson, so thank you very much, Yundong, for your active participation in today's lesson, and I hope to see you again soon. So bye-bye, Yundong. So let's practice again this how are you next time, okay?
Goodbye, Teacher Julian.
Goodbye. See you again. Thank you.
Ano po?
Thank you so much.
Ano po?